Now, I kindly request Mr. Amit Kumar Sen, HOD of B Farm, Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, College of Pharmacy, to come forward and present this token of love to our Honorable Speaker, Dr. Mandeep Kumar Arora.
Please, sir, kindly come on the stage. Please give a huge round of applause. Now I kindly request Mr. Himanshu Lohni, Head of the D Pharma Department of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, College of Pharmacy, to come forward and present this token of appreciation to our Honorable Speaker, Professor Vikas Jhakmola, sir. Please, sir. We deeply appreciate your time and wisdom you will share with us today. Thank you, sir.
Now, I kindly request Dr. Rajkumar Chaudhary, Principal of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, College of Nursing, to come forward and present this token of love to our Honorable Speaker, Dr. Kapil Kalra.
Let's give a huge round of applause to express our heartfelt thanks, everybody. Thank you, sir. I kindly request Dr. Seema Chauhan to come forward and present this token of appreciation to our Honorable Speaker, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma. Please, ma'am, please, sir. Your presence is valuable. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, I kindly request Mrs. Meena Kausar, Associate Professor of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, College of Pharmacy, to please come forward and present this token of appreciation to our Honorable Speaker, Dr. Kaushal Kumar. Your presence is appreciable. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would kindly request Ms. Seema Kaki, Assistant Professor of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan, College of Pharmacy, to come forward and present this token of appreciation to our honorable guest, Dr. Arun Kumar Singh.
give a huge round of applause, please. Everybody sitting here. My dear students,
Now, let us all give a huge round of applause to express our heartful thanks to our all guests.
thank you all. May I request our Honorable Managing Director, sir, Chairman, sir, Director, sir of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan College of Pharmacy, our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kumud Upadhyay, Head of the Department of D Pharma, Mr. Himanshu Lohni, Head of the Department of B Pharma, Dr. Amit Kumar Sen, Organizing Secretary, Mrs. Meena Kaushar, and Conference Coordinator, Mr. Manish Kumar Saxena, to kindly come on the stage and take their seat. Please, sir.
Now, I kindly Now, moving forward to our next segment of program, that is the conference convener. Conference convener plays a pivotal role in the successful planning and execution of the event as the key driving force behind this academic and seamless intellectual gathering. The convener ensures seamless coordination among speakers, participants, and organizing committees. For this esteemed conference, we are honored to have Dr. Kapil Chauhan, Director of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan College of Pharmacy, to come forward and address the conference. Please, sir.
Thank you, Shivani. Honorable MD Sir, Chairman Sir, our Chief Guest, Professor Kumud Upadhyay, Dr. Rajkumar Chaudhary, Principal of Nursing Department, Dr. Seema Chauhan, Principal of BA Department, Dr. Amit Kumar Sen, HOD B Form, Mr. Himanshu Lohani, HOD B Form, all our keynote speakers, and different delegates of different colleges, all participants, and dear students. Good morning to all. On the behalf of Institute, it's my privilege and honor to welcome you all. And we are here for this international conference, and that is titled with Pharmaceutical Innovation for Global Health Addressing Artificial Intelligence, Disease Management, and Revolutionizing Drugs. So, in the 2 days conference in the hybrid mode, we have yesterday organized the conference in the online mode. There were scientists and professors of 10 countries, and that is Nigeria, Malaysia, Turkey, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Uganda, Iraq, Palestine, Algeria, Iraq, and India. Today, we are fortunate to have Professor Kumud Upadhyay as a chief guest. Sir, your presence is a great honor for all of us, and we eagerly look forward to your insight as we embark on journey of knowledge sharing. We are also privileged to welcome our esteemed keynote speakers who are leaders in their respective fields, Professor Vikas Akmola, Dr. Mandeep Kumar Arora, Dr. Kapil Kalra, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma, Dr. Kaushal Kumar, Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. Each of these distinguished speakers bring a wealth of knowledge and experience, and we are deeply grateful for their participation in this conference. Now, I would like to give the brief profile of our Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Group of Institution. It was established in 2016, and the diploma in pharmacy was started in 2019. B Farm by started in 2021, and very soon we are going to start M Farm course in the pharmaceutics in our college. And in present date, we are having 17 courses in our Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan group of institution. And looking ahead, the institution is poised to introduce M Farm. And recently we have three patents our faculty have submitted, and approx 50 research articles we have published in the different international well-reputed index journal. Our faculty members have written books that are published by different publishers, including India and Germany. At Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan College of Pharmacy, we are committed to fostering an environment that encourages the pursuit of excellence and the advancement of pharmaceutical sciences. Today's event is treatment to our vision of creating a platform where experts, researchers, industry leaders, and students can come together to collaborate and innovate for betterment of healthcare world. We are reminded of the role of pharmaceutical innovation playing shaping the future of healthcare across the globe, with the advancement in artificial intelligence, cutting-edge disease management strategies, and the revolutionizing of drug development. The pharmaceutical industry is undergoing a transforming phase that promises to deliver immense benefit to global health. As we explore pharmaceutical innovation in global health, we are reminded that challenges we face today, whether it to be rise of new diseases, the need of more effective treatments, or the role of AI in personalized medicine, require collective wisdom, creative thinking, and collaborating across borders. This conference is an opportunity to not only discuss and explore these challenges, but also to forge new partnership and strategies that will help us work forward and healthier, more stable future for global health. I encourage all of you to engage in discussion, share your ideas, and take full advantage of the knowledge and expertise of an offer. The success of this conference depends not only on the wisdom of our speakers, but also active participation and collaboration of everyone present here. Once again, I extend my warmest welcome to you, each and everyone, to media person who are here. I look forward for the exciting discussion and the fruitful exchange of ideas that lie ahead. Thank you, and hope this day will be very knowledge providing to all of us, and it will be a memorable day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightened words.
Now, I would like to call upon our Honorable Mr. Mahesh Singh Chauhan, sir, Managing Director of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Group of Institution, to come forward so that he could enlighten us with his valuable words.
Please, sir.
माँ शारदे को नमन करते हुए आए हुए सभी जो हमारे दूर दूर से विद्वान पुरुष हैं, आज उन्हें सुनने का मौका मिला है। कल ऑनलाइन कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही थी, काफ़ी लोग उसमें जुड़े हुए थे। देखिएगा, ये कोई प्रोग्राम सांस्कृतिक प्रोग्राम नहीं, कोई फ्रेशर पार्टी नहीं, कोई विदाई समारोह नहीं, कोई और कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे ज्ञान को बढ़ाने की एक पाठशाला है। इसमें निरंतर सीखने को मौका मिला है और सीखना चाहिए। आज जो हमारे बीच में प्रोफेसर्स विद्वान पुरुष आए हुए हैं, इनमें इन्होंने अपना ही 25-25 साल, 30-30 साल, 20-20 साल पढ़ाई करके ये मुकाम हासिल किया है। ये मुकाम ऐसे हासिल नहीं होता है कि कोई हमने आर्टिकल निकाल दिया और हम विद्वान बन गए। तो मैं आप सभी विद्वान पुरुषों का अपने सम्राट पृथ्वीराज चौहान ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस की तरफ से हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ और कामना करता हूँ कि आप लोगों के चरण हमारे इस संस्थान में पढ़ते रहें और हमारे जो अध्यापक हैं, बच्चे हैं, आप लोगों से सीखने का बार बार अनुरोध करते रहें, मौका लेते रहें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us with your insightful words.
Now, I would like to call upon our Honorable Mr. Gopal Singh Chauhan, sir, Chairman of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Groups of Institution, to come forward and inspire us with his insightful words. Please, sir.
एक बार बाहर से आए हुए सभी मेहमानों के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाकर स्वागत करें सभी बच्चे। Myself, Mr. Gopal Singh Chauhan, Chairman of Samrat Prithviraj Chauhan Group of Institutions, Kasipur. Heartily welcome our Chief Guest, Mr. Kumud Upadhyay ji, all the keynote speakers, Professor Vikas Jagmola ji, Dr. Mandeep Kumar Arora ji, Dr. Kapil Kalra ji, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Sharma, Dr. Kaushal Kumar, Dr. Arun Kumar Singh. On the occasion of this international conference, I hope that this seminar will prove beneficial for all the faculty members, research scholars and students. Thanks to all.
Thank you, sir. Your words are significant for us.
Today, in between us, we have our chief guest, Dr. Kumud Upadhyay. Come, let's know about him. Dr. Kumud Upadhyay is a highly respected academician, researcher, and a leader in pharmaceutical science. Currently serving as a professor and head of the Department of Pharmaceutical Science, Kumaon University, Bhimtal, Nainital, Uttarakhand, India. With over 29 years of experience in university education and professional practice.
Dr. Upadhyay has played a pivotal role in establishing pharmacy education in Uttarakhand. He was instrumental in founding prestigious institutions like SBS Institute of Biomedical Sciences, Shri Guru Ram Rai Institute of Technology and Science. Before joining Kumaon University, Nainital in 1999, he held key leadership roles at Uttarakhand Technical University and Uttarakhand Ayurveda University, Dehradun.
And what not? In research and publication, Dr. Upadhyay has made a significant contribution to pharmaceutical research and is currently the state coordinator of Indian Society of Pharmacognosis. Since 2006, he has also served as the editor of 3 pharmaceutical journals, member of various academic and advisory board, and he is also a supervisor for numerous postgraduate and doctoral students.
In recognition of his academic excellence and research contributions, Dr. Upadhyay has been honored with several prestigious awards, including Acharya Narendra Dev Alankar, Excellence in Pharmaceutical Research and Academics in 2003 and 2021.
In the name of leadership and administrative role, he is currently Dean and Faculty of Technology, Kumaon University. General Secretary, Indian Pharmacy Graduate Association from 2013 to 2015. He is also the member of Business Advisory Board, Saicom Pharmaceutical Private Limited, Dehradun, Deputy Director of Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Kumaon University, Nainital. His pioneer work in pharmacy education and research has left a lasting impact on academic and healthcare industry. Now, I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Kumud Upadhyay sir, to kindly come forward and enlighten us with his insightful words. Please, sir.
Thanks a lot. Please take your seats. My dear students, it is customary to say, आमतौर पर कहा जाता है कि आज इस आयोजन में आने से मुझे बड़ा हर्ष हो रहा है, लेकिन मेरे को वास्तव में हर्ष है और इसकी कई वजह हैं। डायरेक्टर साहब जानते हैं, महेश जी बैठे हैं यहाँ पे। मैंने जब ये इंस्टीट्यूट अपनी शिशु अवस्था में थे, तब से इस संस्थान से मेरा परिचय है और आज मैं जब इसकी ग्रोथ देखता हूँ, इस तरह के आयोजन को होते देखता हूँ, तो वास्तव में फिर एक हर्ष का विषय बनता है। आपके मध्य इतने सारे फार्मेसी के डिग्निटरीज बैठे हैं, ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है। चाहे वो डॉक्टर अरुण सिंह हो, राजीव जी हो, हमारे डॉक्टर कालरा हैं, विकास जगमोला जी जो डीन है इस समय UIP उत्तरांचल विश्वविद्यालय में, छाबरा जी हैं हमारे, धीरज बिष्ट जी हैं, प्रोफेसर धीरज, और डॉक्टर कौशल। और डॉक्टर कौशल इसलिए कह रहा हूँ, इसकी एक वजह है, मैं आता हूँ उस पर भी। देखो एज टीचर बाय डेजिग्नेशन, मैं इसलिए कहता हूँ बाय डेजिग्नेशन, अगर आप अच्छे लर्नर नहीं हैं, आप अच्छे स्टूडेंट नहीं हैं, तो आप फिर टीचर भी नहीं।